good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll explain how to update all the Android apps on your mobile automatically. This is very easy. Using Google Play Store, actually you can update all the apps automatically without manually updating each and every one. So open the Google Play Store app on your mobile, and at right top corner you'll find profile picture image. See here profile picture. Then if you scroll down at the bottom, you will find settings. Click on the settings. Under the settings, you will find general, network preference, family, and about section. Right here there is a drop down here under network preferences. You need to click on this drop down, and the second option, auto update apps, click on this. Usually by default, update with limited amount of mobile data will be checked. What you can do is you can click on update over Wi-Fi only. So this will automatically update whenever your mobile is connected to Wi-Fi. If there is no Wi-Fi, the apps won't get updated automatically. And there is an option to choose also, like don't auto update apps. If you prefer to not update automatically, means manually, if you want to update a particular app by going to Play Store, that is absolutely your choice. But if you want to update automatically, this is the option you need to check. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.